What up, whatever page? Gonna run Mark Baker's Monkey King for a spot, 10 spots. We got Johnito on top and bottom. Time is 4:33. And we are live. 433. Gonna roll 3 dice and go 14 times. 33, 44. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. We got dark stone on top and dark stone on the bottom. It's 4:34 now. 4:34. Final row. Our winner is bada bing, bada boom. Matthew Caviccio, some bitch. 14, 14, 34. Juanito, you just ain't meant to have a Monkey King. Damn it, man. 4:34. I wish I wasn't the one to run that video.